Hi, I'm Dr. Rasya Dixit. I am a dermatologist in private practice in Bangalore from the last 16 years. Split ends are breakage of hair, which is very common, especially when the hair tends to be slightly longer. The hair tends to become brittle and split longitudinally, giving the split end. Unfortunately, because keratin, which is there in the hair, is a dead material, it's impossible to fix the split end by using the best shampoos or conditioners. Using a hydrating shampoo and a conditioner will reduce the amount of stress to the hair and reduce further split end. But once the split end has already occurred, there's only one thing you can do, which is to cut it or trim it. In order to prevent further split hairs, make sure you're taking a well-balanced diet which is rich in biotin containing foods, rich in protein. Take a biotin supplement as well as an omega-3 supplement. Your dermatologist is the best person to prescribe these supplements for you. After taking the supplements, make sure you're using a sulphate-free shampoo and a shampoo meant for dry or split-end prone hair. Make sure you're conditioning your hair. Avoid heating your hair with excessive blow drying, ironing or chemical treatments. These all will help you to keep your hair free from split ends.